Right, hi there. So we've had some parts come from John Craddock's. See what we've got. Lots of packaging. Okay, so we've got the wheel bearing kit. So this is a brick part bearing kit. It's got the grease, new bolts, gaskets, and we'll have a look at that in more detail when we come to do the actual bearing repair, but at least we've got the kit for that. Here we get these are brick parts, weather strips. It's interesting to see how these get on. Only time will tell if this sucker system that I've hitched up on the outside will stop the window from falling out and smashing into a million pieces on the driveway. But she's going. At this point, we'll go outside. Okay, first window out. That was a bit scary. What we're going to have a look at now is check out the rubber and with the orientation of the rubber, see which way the new rubber needs to go on, and then somehow reverse the process. Right then, so Operation Waterproof Day 2. Got the window out successfully, as you can tell, in one piece, and we tried desperately hard, me and my brother-in-law, to fit this rubber seal to the windows. I've seen it done on YouTube before, but I got to say we struggled and struggled and struggled. So next plan was to call out professionals for when they do the windscreen, which I am going to have done professionally, to get them to fit the other window rubbers as well. But before I do that, I'm going to have another go. The rubber strip's got two flanges. The inner flange is tighter and got another lip on it. The outer face is broader, so I've got to make sure when this goes on, it's got to fit into this crack here all the way along this groove. It's going to be difficult, I know, but I'm going to have a go. Cord around the inner. So to pull the lip around the inside of the seal, I have to put some cord around there, so we'll do that next. Right then, now for the tricky bit. I've never done this before, and the idea now is that we pull the cord just to pull the rest of that rubber trim over the flange. Now Unfortunately, it looks like the bottom is already located when I drop the bottom in. Hopefully the suction pads will stop the window from dropping out while I'm messing about. And what we've got to do now is hope that the magic of this works. I've got to get another suction pad to go on the inside, so I've got something to hold. The rubber trim just popped off the top of the glass. Right, so 98% happy with that. There's a little rook here which I'm not happy with, and also this edge along here has got a good lip on it now for the trim, but here it's just not quite come through where that rook is. There's something going on there, and here it's not enough. But then as we get further down here, it's come through. Okay, so it's this corner that's not quite coming as far as I'd like. So again, bottom left hand corner has gone on really well. Around the bottom it's great. Up the top, that doesn't look quite right to me. That needs lifting out a bit. That's okay, but then this is where the rook is. And we've still got a bit of work to do. So I managed to push that in there. Let's see. The problem I had is that I did nick the rubber there, it's split, so I've super glued that, which is not ideal. That's so annoying. The finished new look that we've got elsewhere. Now the window looks seated properly on the outside. And of course all those perished cracks are gone, apart from the self-inflicted one. Let's have a look on the inside. So again, that's okay. All that's seated beautifully. That's now come right through, and that's perfect. So all the inside trim now has got plenty seated properly. So that is 1/4 window in. But we've still got the 2 Alpine windows, the other quarter light, and of course the back door window as well. So next piece of video, hopefully you'll see all the windows and the windscreen watertight and sealed, and see you in a bit.